Hi, I'm rWoodruff with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2021, I should say, 354 Sportscoach quad slide. 35 foot, 4 slide outs. Great storage, full body paint, Asdel walls. That's gonna help keep these coaches well insulated, keep the wall from wicking any water inside. It's a great way to build a coach. Love the Asdel. It's been used on a lot of coaches over the years. It just gets to be a better and better product as we go forward. Makes for a solid wall. It's a full body paint. We've got Alcoa rims. We've got 3 great storage bays, pass-through storage. We've got an outside TV, push button awning with speakers built into it. It's set up for towing. It's pretty much a great entry-level diesel pusher. Okay, let's go inside and take a look at the inside. A little quieter in here, easier to talk. So, we've got a great coach for a family. It's got that front overhead drop-down bunk. It's got the big booth that makes into a bed. We've got theater seating that is very adjacent to the fireplace, to the TV. Really nice layout. Love the new lights in here. Corian style countertops, solid surface. Love the pop-up fixture here. So if you need to plug something in, if you don't, you just shove it down. A lot of windows. Most manufacturers try to get away from the windows simply because it's expensive. It's easier just to build a solid wall. This company's gone through and just put a bunch of windows in here. We've got a mid-bath, double sink, great size shower. I could get in there with my little fatness and get all cleaned up and make my wife happy. Not smell so bad. We've got the residential style refrigerator. These are really great fridges. They're big, they're deep, they come with ice makers. They use electricity, auto start generators, inverters. We don't need the fireplace in the wall. All electric, safer, better, easier, keeps the food colder. Back here in our main bedroom, the back bedroom, we've got a, gosh, what is this, a king size bed? Oh. I'll tell you what, I think that's a queen, but it's a big queen. Got USB ports on each side of the bed. We got a nice closet along the back. All the books and manuals here. Place for a nice tall hanging product. I like this white woodwork in here. It makes it easy to lighten up the coach, because you know if you're out in the woods and you got a dark coach, it's hard to see in here. It's like living in a cave, but this is not a cave. This is a 2021 Sportscoach 354 quad slide. 4 slide outs. Makes for a big living room. I'm Roger with BISH'S. Have a great day.